In the last video, we created a new profile for our account. In this video, we will cover the steps to add quantities to the new profile and save the information to your account. After you have entered the details for your account, the Enter Quantity screen will appear. Here you will enter the new inventory quantity from an order, or if you are just getting started with inventory management and adding your current new inventory units, you can add it all here. You can use the up and down arrows to adjust the amount. Alternatively, you can select the quantity field and type in an amount. Once the quantity is entered correctly, click the Next button. On the next screen, you have the choice of creating and selecting a new location for your new inventory. A location is a place, a shelf, rack, drawer, or table where you store new or reusable inventory. If you store your new inventory on a specific shelf, you can create the name here and assign the location to the material. We will cover creating and assigning locations to materials in depth during a later segment in this training series. For now, you can leave the selection in the drop-down menu at None. Click the Next button to move to the next screen. The next step in adding quantities to a profile is to add a lot number. Though we will talk about lot numbers more in depth in a later video, the important point here is to determine whether all the new inventory units you are entering have the same lot number. If they do, then you can enter one lot number for all the materials. If not, it would be best to enter each one separately for the items in the Item View panel. Let's say for the quantity entered the lot number for all units is the same. Enter the lot number into the field. Then, click the Next button to continue. The last screen will summarize the details of your profile, quantity, location, and lot number for each unit. If you notice an error, you can click the Back button to return to the previous screens and adjust the quantity, location, or lot information. If everything is correct, click the Confirm button to complete the entry. Once you see the success message, you have successfully added new units to your profile. At this point, you can navigate to the Dashboard panel to view all data, add more units for other profiles, or use the left navigation menu to reach another feature in this application.